it's Saturday and I've got my coat on and my purse and we are headed to Costco for the last time. I had a membership years ago, I canceled it and then I missed it, so I got it back. We've had it for about another year and I've just decided again to go ahead and cancel it and keep it canceled. So various reasons why we've decided to not keep our Costco membership. I do love it, but it's just too far out there and I just don't think it's worth the drive back and forth to get stuff. If you run out of something, I can't just easily go over there and get it. So I've just decided to go ahead and cancel it and focus more on getting good deals at the grocery store. But I do love Costco. I am gonna miss it, but I'm gonna go one last time and get a bunch of stuff to stock up before we cancel. So that's what I'm gonna do today. If you wonder why I sound sick and stuffy, it's because I am sick and stuffy. But I'm going to Costco anyway, and I'm going to show you guys when I get back everything I got to stockpile, my last hurrah going to Costco. So if you want to see that, then stay tuned. Okay guys, we are back from Costco. Saturday is not a great day to go. It was really super busy, so it took forever to get in and out. But the membership has been canceled, even though the guy was trying to like convince me to stay. He was like, oh, well, people come way farther than you do to come here and all that stuff. And I was like, I know, but still, it's just too far to drive. We would run out of one or two things and it wasn't worth the drive all the way there to get it. So I would end up getting it at the grocery and paying the grocery store price anyway, plus paying for a Costco membership. It just didn't make sense. So I did go ahead and cancel and I feel like it's the right decision, even though I love Costco and I am gonna miss it. But I stocked up on quite a few things that I know are good deals. And so I have quite a few duplicates here. So I'm gonna show you everything that I got. First thing I got was 3 packs of the Costco toilet paper. I think it's pretty much the best deal you can get on toilet paper unless you have some really super good coupons and sales. The Kirkland brand toilet paper is really good quality toilet paper and it's a good price. So I got 3 packages of that. So that's gonna last for quite a while. I also got 3 boxes of Always feminine pads just because, you know, gotta have that, and it was on sale, so that made them only $9.99 a box, which is a great deal. I also got 2 bottles of the All Free and Clear laundry detergent. It's 158 loads, so that'll last for quite a while because I do about a load a day, so that will last for a while. I got a bag of the girls' organic pumpkin seed and flax granola that they like. Also a big bag of veggie straws. Again, this was on sale. This was on sale. Pretty much everything I got was on sale, so that was exciting. I got another box of the Costco brand organic diced tomatoes. I really don't need any right now, but they're not gonna go bad and they're just something good to have kind of stockpiled. So I did get another box of those. I also got 2 boxes of the Costco kitchen trash bags. You cannot go wrong with them, even when they're not on sale, but they were on sale for I think $11.50 per box. So this is literally about a 2-year supply for me, so I will not have to buy trash bags for quite some time. I also got some Mr. Clean erasers. They were on sale as well, so there's 11 of those. I got the girls' shampoo that they like, which is the Kirkland brand moisture shampoo. I got one of those. I got some contact cleaner solution for me and my oldest daughter to share. My husband's peanut butter. I got avocado oil, which I use instead of olive oil whenever I'm using it in a skillet, because you're actually not supposed to use olive oil for any type of frying. So I got the avocado oil. I also got the Kirkland brand organic syrup, which is about the best place you can get a good price on organic syrup. So I got that. A thing of Lysol that I use in my spray mop to clean the floors. I got a bag of organic sugar. I got this for my husband. He likes it. It's a gyro kit, so I got that for him. And then I also got a pack of organic ground beef, a pack of organic ground turkey, and a 3-pack of organic chicken breasts. The girls wanted these. I don't typically get them because they are not very healthy and they have GMOs and things in them, but they wanted these as like their last time of getting the Costco muffins, which are delicious, but they are very unhealthy, but they do like these. So I got 2 packages of the chocolate muffins. I've got a bag of the organic broccoli florets. I got a 5-pack of Clorox wipes and 1 package of paper towels. So even though it doesn't look like it, this is about $380 worth of stuff. I feel like I got a good deal on it though, because like I said, most of the stuff was on sale and I had $90 in rewards from having the Costco membership and from having the Costco City credit card. And then I also got a little bit of my membership fee back since I canceled before my year membership was up. I got like $85 back in a credit, which I wasn't expecting that. I knew I had the $90 certificates, which was exciting, but I did get that extra $85 back. So this is about $380 worth of stuff, but with my rewards and stuff like that, it didn't cost quite that much. But I definitely feel like I went at the right time because so many of the things that I was going to stock up on anyway were on sale. I do love Costco. I do think it's a good deal for the most part if you are careful about not buying things you don't need or you didn't plan on buying. And if you know the math and do the math before you buy something there, like you compare it to what you can get at your grocery store or get using coupons. There were certain things at Costco that were always a better deal than getting them at the grocery. Other times there were some products that if you could catch it on sale at the grocery and or you had a coupon, it was about the same. So it's really one of those things. I feel like it's really up to how you shop and how good you are at utilizing sales at your grocery store and how good you are at utilizing coupons and things like that. I feel like I'm very good at those things, but I still enjoy shopping at Costco. It's just for us, I just don't think it's going to work out. This is the second time now we've had a Costco membership, and both times obviously I've kind of figured out that for how often we go there, it just wasn't really worth the membership every year. So but maybe for you it is. So if you don't have a Costco membership, you know, definitely try it out, but I would recommend you doing the math first, comparing it to what you're paying for certain things at the grocery store, and then kind of compare per unit of what it is at Costco. So this is my last haul from Costco. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you have a Costco membership, let me know if you find that it's a good deal for you. And if you don't shop at Costco, or even if you do, but you mostly go to the grocery store, let me know which grocery store you like to shop at or which store you find the best deals at. I know a lot of people do their grocery shopping at Target, they only do their grocery shopping at Walmart or Kroger or somewhere like that. So you guys let me know where you like to do most of your grocery shopping. I'd be interested to read that in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.